The alleged transfer of up to 12,000 North Korean military personnel to Russia, including 1,500 special forces already deployed in Vladivostok, is being monitored through satellite imagery, according to Andriy Kovalenko, the head of the Center for Countering Disinformation under Ukraine's National Security and Defense Council. He emphasized that South Korean intelligence, alongside Ukrainian intelligence, is actively tracking these developments. Seoul's National Intelligence Service provided evidence on Friday of what it said were North Korean troops' deployments to Russia before participating in the war in Ukraine, including a series of satellite images of troop concentration. NIS's Friday press release detailed the agency's findings on Pyongyang's troop movements, which said those deployed to Russia consisted of 1,500 North Korean special forces from the areas near Chongjin, Hamhung, and Musudan of the country. It said they were transported by 4 landing ships and 3 escort ships belonging to the Russian Pacific Fleet between October 8th and 13th. NIS said that this is the first time that the Russian Navy has entered North Korean waters since 1990, and added that another round of troop transportation, presumably by similar means, is scheduled. The agency said the North Korean troops were dispersed in multiple bases in Russia's Far East and claimed that they were issued fake ID cards of residents of the Yakutia and Buryatia regions of Siberia on top of Russian uniforms and weapons in a bid to conceal their identity. The claim corroborated earlier assertions by Ukrainian defense intelligence that a special Buryat battalion was created in Russia to incorporate the Pyongyang troops. On this photo obtained by South Korean National Intelligence Service, we can see a military facility in Ussurisk, Primorsky Krai in Russia, with an estimated 400 North Korean personnel gathered in parade ground on October 16th. The North Korean soldiers dispatched to Russia are currently stationed at Russian military bases in the Far East, including Vladivostok, Ussurisk, Khabarovsk, and Blagoveshchensk, and are expected to be deployed to the front lines as soon as they complete their adaptation training, read the press release. Here we can see a military facility in Khabarovsk with an estimated number of North Korean personnel being 240. 2 footages, which appeared late evening on October 18th, showed North Korean soldiers being equipped with Russian uniforms at the Sergeyev training ground in Russia. One was taken in an open field where troops could be seen running on a dirt path in formation, while another depicted troops picking up supplies in a room, ostensibly before their combat deployment. In the first video, a Russian soldier in uniform, with an insignia on his shoulder, commented on the troops marching before him and called them foreign reinforcements, claiming that millions of them would come to reinforce the troops. In another video, troops of Asian appearance with Russian uniforms could be seen queuing up for equipment, with more audible speeches available that are confirmed to be Korean. Last night, Russian forces attempted a frontal assault on Ukrainian positions using 2 tanks and 4 IFVs with airborne troops. First, the artillery of the 63rd Brigade delivered direct hits on 3 of their vehicles. Then, UAV pilots chased down remaining forces. Russians were forced to abandon their vehicles. This video is made by drones equipped with thermal cameras, which shows that Ukrainians are hunting Russian armor at night, and the effects are clear at the end. Moment fighter of the pro-Ukrainian Russian Volunteer Corps throws a TM-62 anti-tank mine to the entrance of a building where Russian servicemen were holding positions during the battle for Vovchansk aggregate plant. Ukraine is developing the Sting drone interceptor, which can fly at speeds of over 160 kilometers per hour and at altitudes of up to 3 kilometers. The operator will control it through VR glasses, and in the future, they plan to add an artificial intelligence system for automatic targeting. The Sting will cost 10 times less than the Shahed 136. As a reminder, several companies in Ukraine are developing interceptor drones. In September, it became known that the Ukrainian company Besamar had developed an aircraft-type interceptor drone. Also in July, Ukrainian developers demonstrated flight tests of a jet drone designed to intercept air targets. FPV strike destroyed a Russian Bukhanka vehicle into bits.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.